Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change fan speed on Asus ROG Strix motherboard. To do this, first you will need to click on the Q fan control in the BIOS, then you can find all of the fan options on the left. Let's select fan 4 for this example, then we can switch the speed right here between standard, silent, turbo, full speed or manual. If you decide on manual, you can see the graph right here and change the speed on the left for the fan, and when it reaches a certain temperature it should reach that speed. So for example, right now when we put it like right here, the temperature will reach 40, the speed should be put to 81%. And it goes like this, so you can adjust the curve however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.